Good morning, my neighbor.
What part of a chicken do you love most? By that I mean the one you find yummiest. Like the one you can sell your butter. I'm just kidding here. Let me give them some options now. There is a head, yes. Back in Africa, I know some swear by the head, especially those ones with the very big comb. When they dismantle the head, right, you'll be like, was there ever a head for this chicken? What's that face? She can't relate because you see whole chicken.
No, thank you.
So the head, the wings, I believe I can fly. The chicken breasts, the thigh, and the drumstick. Yes, let me leave it to those: head, chicken breast, wings, the thigh, or the drumstick. Okay, let me add another one. The gizzard. Yes. Okay. Yes, I need to add the gizzard. Back in the days when I was growing up, right? As kids, they don't give you chicken thigh. Chicken thigh, like how will it get to you? So it's the chicken thigh and the gizzard is reserved for the head of the family. So back to the question, I will need your answer in the comment box below. So to you, what part of the chicken do you love most?
Okay, it's caught between the juicy breast, because like there barely any bones, so it's mainly chicken. And then the thigh, that's probably my second favorite. Yeah, because like it doesn't have the meat, it has the juiciness. If I could mix the breast and the thigh together, I would do so. That's my favorite.
For me, it will be the chicken wings.
No.
Yeah,
no.
So why no?
Because there's this little piece of meat at the end, and you can never get it out. It's always so annoying.
You know the part she's talking about, where those two tiny bones are connected, there's usually one tiny space in between.
It's a waste. It's unacceptable. No.
You see, because she will waste the bone. But me, God wired me not to be a waster. I break, why will I waste bone? I need calcium. I know I have partner in crime when it comes to, yes, when the chicken is well seasoned, okay, you have no choice but to break the bone and suck up all the juice. Okay, let's get into this.
Okay, this is a straw. Okay.
There is this part of the chicken, I for one, I've come to realize that no matter how you season the entire part of chicken, that very one, you see, that drumstick, drumstick, I don't know, maybe you are getting it right. That drumstick, no matter how you season your chicken, drumstick will only have the seasoning on the outside. It does not get to the, the mudu of
the center of your voluptuous chicken. That's my favorite word now. Wow. So today we will be teaching you how to insert all that flavoring into your juicy, voluptuous chicken, so it tastes nice.
Thank you. How to get your drumstick very tasty. What's the word again?
Voluptuous.
Voluptuous? Really? So there's a word I'm learning. Sumptuous. What's another adjective?
Crispy.
Whatever. By the time you are done, oh no, you will name the adjectives. They'll be too numerous to be listed. So let me dive right into it. They say it's a drumstick, right? So this is what we are going to be using. Yes, they call it legs. Yeah, so I think because of the size here is why they call it leg. See, I should be wearing a glove. Yes, it's this big because it's a combination of both the thigh and the drumstick. So this part is the part I have issue with. It's usually not well seasoned. So we'll dive right into it. I'll be showing you the spices I would love to use on this.
Just before that, kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification. Yes, you can hit the like button even before we finish. Thank you.
These 3 spices are enough to season your chicken, but if you would like to add a kick, you could either use hot chili pepper or some crushed chilies. Now, if you love seasoning like my mom, you might as well go ahead and add a whole family of spices.
So on top of what she showed you earlier, I would like to add these ones. Apologies, like Bimbo Adeomuye will say. So I'm not a teaspoon of this, a teaspoon of that kind of girl. I just go ahead and eyeball. So that's what I'll do now. And then you give it a mix. I think we'll be needing more oil. Yes, we need that consistency of the yogurt. Need it running this way. Then we'll set this aside. Yes, to the crux of the matter, this is what you need to do to your chicken to get it well seasoned. They say we shouldn't wash chicken. I did, and I'm just going to pat it dry. Yes, with a kitchen towel, I'll pat it dry to remove the excess water. So what we want to do here now is to like cut the chicken part, the chicken thigh with either a scissors or you use your knife, whatever floats your boat. So you just want to do this, cut it open so that, yes, to give allowance for the spice to enter all the nooks and crannies of this chicken. Yes, so we'll do some incision here and there. Yes, so that way it will penetrate. Apologies to my people who are not Yoruba. Chicken ye only atayema one way. Yes, so we put that there. And the last one. Now that we are done with the incision, we are just going to have the mix here. Remember our mix? We'll have it all over the chicken. You brush it up. Yes, the chicken is well immersed in our mix. Try this mix and thank me later. So we'll have this covered and kept in the fridge. You can do 2 hours, 4 hours. I like to do mine overnight. I'm going to put this in the fridge overnight and then we continue tomorrow. All we are going to do is just to have this either in your grill, your air fryer, your oven, whatever your option is. So that is the deal. By tomorrow, boy.
I'm going to just place this in the fridge now until tomorrow.
Okay, so we'll continue from where we stop tomorrow. Bye. Okay, the chicken has been left overnight, so let's take it out of the fridge now and do the needful. Wow, let's see what we have here. Yes, so this is it, and I'm just going to put it. Oh my god, it smells so flavorful already even in its raw state. Just before I put it in the air fryer for some jara, everything needs to be flavorful, you know. So there's this lemon juice. I should have put it before marinating, but yeah, it can still go in. Sprinkle some on it like so. Yeah, so I'm just going to put this into the air fryer right there, and so I'm just going to power it on here, and then I'll move through the menu to where we have the chicken drumstick here, and then I'll press it there. So it will be done in 22 minutes time. I'm waiting the results. While that is ongoing, I'm just going to pop this into the oven. Yes, we'll be having it with this skin on fries. You can have it with your Niger jollof rice. Yes, you can have it with anything. In fact, you can sit down, eat, and just take it very chilled. You can have it with mashed potatoes, name it. For the fries, I love to season it with this. But to be honest, you can keep it simple and just use your salt only. Yes. And oh, I almost forgot to tell. Just have to add some cobs of corn. Okay. Yes, our chicken is ready. Let's check. Look at that. Oh my god. Ah. Okay, that's how to bring KFC or your favorite eatery right into your home. Oh, which is succulent. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Want to try? When sweet. Here. Yeah, I know you love it too. This right here is going to be another post entirely. Yes, guys, if you try this drink, you will say no to any form of carbonated drink, and it is very healthy. In case you're wondering where the little madam is, she is busy with her assignments. Yes, the school assignments, and I just thought to do this and get done with it already. I'll be sure to share recipe soon. Until we come your way again, I am Adetunke on behalf of Abbas Babes. Thanks for watching. Please don't go. In fact, let me say this way. Please and please, like some people will say, do us a favor of subscribing to this channel. It is the fuel we'll need to create more. We will also want to know if you are enjoying our videos so far. Okay? Why should we be giving you what you don't like? Like now, you like this particular one, right? Imagine cook by me, Lori. Musha to make a word, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.